Hi, I'm Andrew Floyd. Today it's Friday afternoon, September 4th, 2020, and I'm going to be taking you on a virtual tour of wildlife and birds at the Yampa River Botanic Park. Let's go! We're looking at a molting evening grosbeak, a large finch you can find in Steamboat Springs. And here we have another evening grosbeak feeding on box elders. Here's another molting bird, an adult male red-winged blackbird. This is an adult female broad-tailed hummingbird perched on this branch. This is a white-lined sphinx moth. They're very common in Steamboat Springs, and they look just like hummingbirds. Here we have a greater fritillary. It's a yellow, orange, and black butterfly, genus Spirea. This is a squirrel with lots of names, like pine squirrel, red squirrel, and chickaree. And this is a giant tortoise from the Galapagos. Good old Benny. Sorry for the poor lighting, but this is a female western tanager. And here we have a juvenile American robin. You can tell it's juvenile because of the spots on its breast. This is a male northern flicker, the largest and most common woodpecker in Colorado. As you can see, it likes to eat ants. In common botanic park tradition, this outing has been thwarted by a different species, this case, evening grosbeaks. Nevertheless, still a great walk. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I can see you in real life next walk. Thank you.